Hello guys, welcome to Chiefs Fan Center. Please like and subscribe. Big news coming in about an hour ago from Mazola J. Molefe, SABC Sports journalist, that Velabai, a decision has been reached by the PSL committee. A verdict has been concluded that Velabai has been considered a free agent in terms of a professional player. His contract at Cape Town Spurs is considered null and void, as Cape Town Spurs is no longer a professional club, meaning that professional contracts are all null and void for players above 21. So Velabai is expected to sign for Chiefs in the next 2 or 3 days. This coming week, I expect him to be announced in the next few days, possibly by the end of the week. Bardman, also a Cape Town Spurs player, he is expected to follow suit and also be considered a free agent. Velabai was at the game yesterday against Stellenbosch, and it seems like he will definitely be a Chiefs player. It's quality. He's a quality lad. Cape Town Spurs are bullies. Before we get into the player, and I like to talk about the player, how he will benefit guys at Chiefs, but Cape Town Spurs are bullies. If you're a chairman, or if you want to be a chairman of a club in future, whether it's a professional club or an amateur club, you don't do that to players. The goal for some at smaller clubs, Cape Town Spurs are bullies. They gave Velabai a contract. They gave him the captain armband last season for him to stay, even though the parents agreed for him to sign with Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs agreed with the player. Everything was perfect, but Cape Town Spurs wanted about 16, 20 million, which the player was not. But we got Lebo 17 million, and Lebo's like 28 in his prime, and we bought Lebo for like 17, 16 million. How is Velabai 17, 18 million when he's an unproven talent who's quality though in the PSL, who's only had 1 year in the PSL? So Cape Town Spurs are bullies. This year they got relegated again, and then they were gatekeeping these players for us to pay a transfer fee. The Cape Town Spurs chairman is a bully, and ultimately they deserve to be relegated with the way they're treating the players and how they treated this whole saga. If players want to leave, I understand that you want a fee, but it's been well documented over the past 3 months. As of 1 July 2025, as the new financial year, as the new season starts, that all contracts that you have, because you got relegated twice, you're an amateur club, you're playing in ABC Motsepe, that all contracts are null and void, meaning that you won't be a professional club anymore. So Velabai, Bardman, and any player that you want to sign is null and void. Bardman, I think it's different for him because I think he still has a youth contract. So maybe he might not come, but I think it's more or less likely that he will come also because they're not a professional club anymore. So all contracts have to be null and void, but we'll see how it goes. I expect Velabai and Bardman to be there. Let's just talk about Velabai for a minute. Very good player, left-footed player. He has quality on the right hand side. He's a left-footed player. Only Mfundo is the only player who's a left-footed player on the wings. So he has quality. He's only 21 also, 2004 I think. So he's got a lot of years to improve on. He loves the club. He's been posting about Neo Tlongwane on Instagram, things like that. Put Kaizer Chiefs on his bio, I think, or removed Cape Town Spurs from his bio. So he loves the club and he's a youngster. Even if he flops in 3 years' time, we'll still get money to sell him. So I expect him to be a very, very good addition to the squad. And what does this mean for Coach Nabi? I think we said this yesterday on the match reaction that there's no excuses for Nabi. Last season he signed 10 players. This season he's signing about 8. Last season he signed Kele, Cirino, Alelepo, Morris, Dudley, Miguel, Cross, Sam, Ntwari, Cross. 10 players. This season it's Chislet, it's Da Silva, it's who's this lad? Shinga, Monyane, Velabai, Bardman. That's 6 players this season and 10 last season. Glover this season, number 7. So it's a lot of players that he's been signing. 17, 18, that's a squad. It's a whole squad. It's his players, it's his style of play. He approved these players, even though you could argue maybe about Dudley and Dwari, it wasn't his signings because they were signed before the coach came. But it's his squad. He's expected to be in the top 3 minimum this season and maybe fight for a trophy, at least get to a final or a semi. And we're looking at the CAF. We'll qualify for that. We've got a tough fixture in Rwanda. The squad drew 2-2 in Rwanda. The away game will be very difficult. So I expect Nabi to cook with these players, because he's approved most of these players that are coming in here. Some of these signings have been successes. People like Miguel and Lepo. So I expect Velabai to be a very good addition to the squad. And that's how I finished the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Match reaction in around 4 o'clock. Love.